Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much it costs to build a gaming PC. We'll break down the different budget tiers, starting with entry-level options perfect for casual gaming. Then, we'll move to mid-range systems that offer a fantastic balance of power and affordability. Finally, we'll explore high-end builds for those seeking the ultimate gaming experience with no compromises. Let's dive into the core components that make up your gaming PC and their approximate costs. The graphics card, or GPU, is usually the biggest investment, significantly impacting your gaming performance. Next, the processor, or CPU, handles all the computations. We'll also look at motherboards, which are the backbone of your system, and the essential memory, or RAM, needed for smooth gameplay and multitasking. Beyond the core, we have crucial components like storage, power, and cooling. An SSD is vital for fast game loading and system responsiveness. A quality power supply unit ensures all your components receive stable electricity. Effective cooling, whether air or liquid, prevents overheating, keeping your system performing optimally. And of course, a good PC case houses everything beautifully and provides proper airflow. So what's the total cost? An entry-level PC is roughly $500 to $800, a mid-range system is $800 to $1,500, and high-end builds start at $1,500. Remember, these are estimates and prices can fluctuate. To save money, consider buying used parts or waiting for sales. Building your own PC is a rewarding and customizable experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.